Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on important stories notifications on Telegram so you never miss updates that actually matter. Telegram's stories feature has become more active, but not every story deserves your attention. That's where the important stories setting comes in. It helps you focus only on updates from people or channels that matter most to you. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Telegram app. On the main screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your app preferences are located. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and pop-ups. Now, scroll a bit until you see the Stories option and tap on it. Here, you'll find different notification settings for stories. Look for the option labeled Important Stories. Simply toggle it on. Once enabled, Telegram will prioritize notifications for stories it considers important. This usually includes updates from your close contacts or channels you interact with the most. This feature is perfect if you want to stay updated without getting overwhelmed by too many notifications. It keeps your Telegram experience clean, focused, and more relevant to you. If you ever feel like you're missing something or getting too many alerts, you can always come back to this section and adjust your settings anytime. And that's it. You've successfully turned on important stories notifications on Telegram. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your app.